In this video, I'll be showing you how to culture microworms and any minuscule species alike. What you will need is a container of any size with a lid that is able to open and close. On your lid, drill or cut small holes that allow air to travel into the container. Microworms do require air to survive. Next up, prepare oatmeal, as this will be the base towards expanding and increasing the yield of the culture. Bananas are also optional, however they will create an odor over time. Pour and spread the oatmeal evenly at the base of the container. Afterwards, add aquarium water to moisten the oatmeal. After that is set, have your culture ready and spread throughout the container on top of the oatmeal. Optional but highly effective, add and sprinkle some yeast into the culture. This will increase the production rate of the microworms at a fast pace. After that is done, close up the lids and place the container into a dark, cold and dry area. In about 12 to 24 hours, the culture should be ready for harvesting. Using a Q-tip or a small scoop, extract and swerve into the tank to feed the fry. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helped in some way. Thanks again. Have a great day.